Dawn breaks over a sprawling industrial complex, not in a bustling port, but deep inland, where a different kind of global commodity finds its American home. Here, in the quiet pre-dawn, a symphony of machinery waits. This isn't just a factory, it's a vital artery in America's daily ritual, a place where millions of coffee beans begin their transformation. The air, still cool, already carries a faint, tantalizing hint of what's to come, the deep, rich aroma of possibility. This is where the magic, and the meticulous science, of coffee production unfolds on an unimaginable scale, supplying the morning jolt for countless lives across the continent. Inside, Maria Rodriguez, the plant's head roasting operations manager, arrives before anyone else. For Maria, coffee isn't just a job, it's a legacy. Her family has been in the coffee trade for generations, first as growers in Colombia, now here, at the epicenter of American coffee processing. Each morning, she walks the silent factory floor, a vast expanse of stainless steel and intricate piping, pausing to touch the cold metal of a massive roaster. It's a moment of connection, a silent conversation with the machines that will soon hum with purpose under her watchful eye. Her routine is a blend of respect for tradition and command of cutting-edge technology. The journey of a coffee bean to this plant is a testament to global connectivity. These aren't local crops, they're agricultural jewels sourced from across the globe, high-altitude farms in Ethiopia, the fertile volcanic soils of Guatemala, the vast plantations of Brazil and Vietnam. Each batch represents a delicate ecosystem and the labor of countless hands, traveling thousands of miles by sea and land. The diversity of origins ensures a palette of flavors, textures, and aromas, crucial for creating the complex blends that define this company's offerings. It's a logistical marvel, bringing the world's finest beans to one central processing hub. Soon, the first trucks of the day rumble into the receiving bay, carrying massive sacks and bulk containers of green coffee beans. This daily influx is a constant reminder of the plant's immense scale. Each truckload represents a carefully negotiated contract, a specific origin, and a vital ingredient in upcoming production schedules. David Chen, the plant's logistics manager, oversees this intricate dance of deliveries. With his tablet in hand, he coordinates the precise offloading and initial quality checks. A single misstep here could ripple through the entire operation, impacting schedules and, ultimately, the freshness of millions of cups of coffee. Once inside, the raw, green coffee beans undergo their first critical evaluation. Each batch is meticulously weighed, sampled, and cataloged. Modern automation plays a significant role, but human oversight remains paramount. Operators monitor high-speed conveyor systems as sacks are cut open and beans flow into gigantic hoppers. Any discrepancies in weight or initial quality are flagged immediately. This initial phase sets the stage for everything that follows, ensuring that only the finest, accurately recorded raw material enters the processing stream. It's a testament to the blend of efficiency and scrutiny required in a plant of this magnitude. From the receiving area, the beans are pneumatically transported to towering silos, each capable of holding hundreds of thousands of pounds of green coffee. These silos are the plant's living pantry, a carefully categorized library of origins and varietals. David Chen explains how each silo is integrated into a sophisticated inventory management system, ensuring that beans are rotated efficiently and accessed precisely for specific blends. The sheer volume stored here is staggering, a testament to the daily throughput. It's an intricate ballet of logistics, keeping the heart of the operation continuously fed without interruption. Before any roasting can occur, the green beans undergo a thorough cleaning process. Despite careful sourcing, small stones, twigs, and other natural debris inevitably accompany the beans from the farm. Powerful magnets remove metallic impurities, while specialized sifters and air classifiers separate lighter chaff and denser foreign objects. This crucial step not only protects the delicate roasting equipment from damage but also ensures the purity of the final product. It's a mechanical purgation, a meticulous preparation that underlines the plant's commitment to quality and safety, ensuring only pristine beans move forward to the next stage. With the beans cleaned, the true artistry begins, blending. This is where Maria's deep understanding of coffee profiles shines. Each blend, from a robust dark roast to a nuanced light roast, requires a precise combination of beans from different origins, each contributing unique characteristics, acidity, body, aroma, and flavor notes. Computer-controlled systems draw specific quantities from various silos, but the recipe itself is often the culmination of years of sensory expertise. Maria and her team are constantly experimenting, refining, and balancing, striving for that perfect, consistent signature taste that millions have come to expect. The heart of successful blending lies in precision measurement. Robotic systems, guided by detailed recipes, ensure that every gram of green bean is accounted for. Laser sensors and weight scales continuously monitor the flow, preventing any deviation from the prescribed blend ratio. This isn't just about consistent flavor, it's about efficiency and minimizing waste. The scale of operation demands perfection. A slight error in one batch could multiply across thousands of pounds of coffee, altering the final taste profile for millions of consumers. It's a testament to the harmony between human design and mechanical accuracy. Finally, the perfectly blended green beans are ready for their fiery transformation. They are conveyed into one of the plant's colossal roasters, each standing several stories high and capable of processing thousands of pounds of coffee per hour. These aren't just giant ovens, they are sophisticated thermal chambers where temperature, airflow, and time are meticulously controlled. Maria explains that this stage is where the beans unlock their hidden potential. The intense heat initiates complex chemical reactions, converting starches into sugars and developing the aromatic compounds that we associate with roasted coffee. It's a dramatic, sensory shift. As the beans tumble inside the roaring roaster, absorbing heat, they undergo a series of distinct stages. The first, and perhaps most defining, is first crack. Around 200 degrees Celsius (390 degrees Fahrenheit), the beans rapidly expand, creating an audible popping sound, much like popcorn. This indicates that internal pressure from steam buildup has been released, and the bean's cellular structure is breaking down. It's at this point that initial flavored compounds begin to form, and the characteristic roasted aroma starts to emerge. Maria and her team monitor this critical phase with a combination of high-tech sensors and trained sensory observation, ensuring optimal development. A few minutes later, depending on the desired roast profile, the beans may enter second crack. This stage occurs at higher temperatures, typically between 225 to 230 degrees Celsius, 437 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, and presents as a softer, more rapid crackling sound. Second crack signifies a more significant breakdown of the bean's structure and the development of darker, richer flavors, often accompanied by the release of oils to the bean's surface. Darker roasts are taken well into or past second crack, while lighter roasts are usually stopped before or just at its onset. It's a delicate balance, where seconds can dramatically alter the final flavor, a testament to the precision required. Once the beans reach their precise roast level, they are rapidly discharged from the roaster into a large cooling tray. This swift cooling is absolutely critical. If the beans were allowed to cool slowly, residual heat would continue the roasting process, leading to over-roasted, bitter flavors. Powerful fans blast cool air through the beans, quickly bringing their temperature down and locking in the desired flavor profile. The speed and efficiency of this cooling mechanism are vital components of the plant's capacity and quality control, ensuring that every batch meets the exacting standards set by Maria and her team. After cooling, Maria performs one of her most important tasks, a visual and aromatic inspection of the freshly roasted beans. Her experienced eyes scan for consistency in color and texture, while her nose, finely tuned over decades, assesses the aroma. Even with advanced sensors, nothing replaces the human element in this final check. She can discern subtle nuances that digital readouts might miss, ensuring that the batch perfectly matches the intended roast profile. It's a testament to the blend of technology and artisanal craft that defines this operation, where human expertise remains the ultimate arbiter of quality. Across the plant, in a sterile lab, Sarah Miller, the quality control specialist, is already at work. Her domain is precision, ensuring that every batch meets rigorous standards before it leaves the plant. Every roasted batch sends samples to Sarah's lab for a battery of tests. From moisture content and density to grind size and solubility, every variable is scrutinized. Her team uses sophisticated instruments to measure and record objective data, creating a digital fingerprint for each batch. This meticulous process safeguards the brand's reputation and guarantees a consistent experience for consumers, cup after cup, day after day. The most sensory-driven aspect of quality control takes place in the cupping lab. Here, trained tasters, led by Sarah, evaluate small batches of freshly brewed coffee. It's a formalized, almost ritualistic process. Coffees are ground, hot water is added, and after a precise steeping time, the crust of grounds is broken, releasing a burst of aromas. Tasters then slurp the coffee, aerating it to maximize flavor perception, noting acidity, body, sweetness, and any defects. This is where the nuanced language of coffee truly comes alive, comparing each batch against established flavor profiles, ensuring consistency for millions of palates. Maintaining consistency across millions of pounds of coffee produced daily is perhaps the greatest challenge. Every variable, from ambient humidity to the exact calibration of sensors, can subtly influence the outcome. The plant employs sophisticated AI and machine learning algorithms that continuously monitor roasting parameters, making micro-adjustments in real time. This digital intelligence works in tandem with human expertise, creating a feedback loop that constantly refines the process. It's a never-ending quest for perfection, ensuring that the flavor profile remains identical, whether it's the first batch of the day or the 1000th. After cooling and quality checks, the roasted beans proceed to the grinding section. Not all coffee is destined to remain whole bean. The choice of grind size is crucial, impacting extraction and flavor when brewed. Different products require different grinds, coarse for French press, medium for drip coffee makers, fine for espresso. Gigantic industrial grinders precisely mill the beans, protecting the volatile aromatic oils. The grinding process generates heat, so careful engineering ensures the beans remain cool, preventing flavor degradation before packaging. It's another example of the fine-tuned control over every stage. Freshly roasted coffee beans naturally release carbon dioxide. This degassing process can take several days and is a crucial consideration for packaging. Packaging too early can lead to bags bursting due to gas buildup. For some products, beans are held in specialized degassing silos for a period before packaging. For others, particularly vacuum-sealed or single-serve formats, one-way valves are incorporated into the packaging, allowing gas to escape without letting oxygen in. This careful management of natural chemistry ensures both product integrity and maximum freshness upon arrival at the consumer's home. The aroma in the packaging hall is intoxicating. Here, at lightning speed, roasted beans and ground coffee are funneled into a dizzying array of bags, cans, and single-serve pods. Robotic arms and automated machinery work with incredible precision, measuring exact quantities, sealing packages, and applying labels. This high-throughput environment is a ballet of synchronized motion. Each package is designed not just for brand appeal, but to protect the coffee from oxygen, light, and moisture, the enemies of freshness. The speed is astonishing, demonstrating the sheer volume processed and packaged every single minute. This plant produces coffee in an astounding variety of formats. From bulk bags for food service to retail-sized whole bean and ground coffee, to the ubiquitous single-serve coffee pods and even instant coffee granules, the production lines are constantly adapting. Changeovers between product types are meticulously planned to minimize downtime, showcasing incredible operational flexibility. The diversity reflects the evolving landscape of coffee consumption and the plant's commitment to meeting every consumer preference. This dynamic environment requires constant innovation, from packaging design to machine configuration, a testament to its market responsiveness. Recognizing the environmental impact of large-scale production, the plant has invested heavily in sustainable packaging solutions. Efforts range from increasing the use of recycled materials in their packaging to exploring fully compostable or biodegradable options for single-serve pods. David Chen highlights initiatives to reduce plastic waste and optimize package design for shipping efficiency, thereby lowering their carbon footprint. It's a complex challenge for a facility of this size, but the commitment is clear: to deliver quality coffee while minimizing harm to the planet, balancing consumer demand with ecological responsibility. It's an ongoing journey towards greater sustainability. As packaged coffee leaves the sealing machines, it moves into the final stage of in-plant processing, automated palletizing. Robotic arms, moving with surprising speed and precision, stack boxes and cases onto pallets according to pre-programmed patterns. This ensures maximum stability for transit and optimizes space in storage and shipping containers. The sheer volume of outgoing product makes manual palletizing impossible. Automation here is not just efficient, it's essential. Each pallet is then shrink-wrapped and labeled, ready for its journey to distribution centers and, ultimately, to stores and consumers nationwide. From the palletizing stations, the completed coffee moves into the vast distribution warehouse. This area is a hive of activity, with forklifts zipping between towering racks. Here, thousands of pallets await dispatch. The plant operates a sophisticated logistics network, coordinating with national carriers to ensure timely delivery across the country. David Chen emphasizes the complexity of managing a cold chain for some specialty products and ensuring just-in-time inventory for retail partners. The final leg of the journey is as critical as the first, ensuring that freshness is preserved until the product reaches its final destination. To fully grasp the magnitude of this operation, consider the numbers. This plant processes an astonishing volume of coffee beans every single day. The impact of their production reaches millions of households, cafes, and offices. This isn't just about making coffee, it's about supplying a significant portion of a nation's daily ritual, a staggering logistical and manufacturing achievement. The precision required to maintain quality at this scale is monumental, a testament to both the advanced technology and the dedicated workforce operating within these walls. It underscores coffee's role as a cornerstone of modern life. The coffee industry faces increasing global market challenges. Climate change threatens coffee-growing regions, leading to unpredictable harvests and rising bean prices. Supply chain disruptions, geopolitical events, and fluctuations in commodity markets all impact operations here. David Chen, navigating these complexities daily, highlights the need for robust contingency planning and diverse sourcing strategies. Maintaining stable pricing and consistent supply for consumers amidst these external pressures is a constant, demanding tight collaboration with growers and suppliers worldwide. It's a delicate balance of global factors that influence every roasted bean within this plant. Innovation is not just a buzzword here, it's a necessity. The plant continuously invests in research and development, exploring new roasting technologies, sustainable processing methods, and novel coffee products. Maria Rodriguez leads taste panels for experimental blends, pushing the boundaries of flavor profiles. From advanced robotics in packaging to AI-driven quality assurance, the future of coffee processing is constantly being shaped within these walls. The commitment to staying at the forefront of the industry ensures that they can adapt to changing consumer tastes and global demands, securing their position as a leader for years to come. Amidst the hum of machinery and the precision of automation, the human element remains irreplaceable. From the engineers who design and maintain the complex systems to the operators who monitor every stage, to the quality control specialists like Sarah Miller, each person plays a crucial role. Their dedication, skill, and passion are the true ingredients that turn raw beans into cherished coffee. Maria often says, "Technology gives us consistency, but it's the hands and hearts of our people that give it soul." It's a reminder that even at this colossal scale, coffee remains a deeply human experience, driven by craftsmanship. As the day draws to a close, Maria walks the now bustling floor, the aroma of roasting coffee enveloping her. Her work is demanding, a constant balance of art and science, but her passion is palpable. She speaks of the satisfaction of knowing that her efforts contribute to the daily routines and moments of joy for millions. Every batch represents not just a product, but a connection, from the farmer who nurtured the bean to the consumer savoring their morning cup. For Maria, this plant is more than just America's largest, it's a testament to dedication, precision, and the enduring power of coffee to bring people together. Tomorrow, the cycle will begin anew. More trucks will arrive, more beans will be cleaned, blended, and roasted. The machines will hum, the sensors will monitor, and the skilled hands will guide. For millions across America, a new day will dawn, and with it, the expectation of that perfect cup of coffee. What happens within these walls ensures that expectation is met, consistently and reliably. It's a vast, intricate operation, often unseen, yet deeply woven into the fabric of daily life, fueling conversations, creativity, and countless mornings. This plant is not just processing coffee, it's enabling a ritual. From a tiny green seed in a distant land, nurtured by sun and rain, to a perfectly roasted and packaged product, the journey of coffee is nothing short of epic. This plant stands as a monument to that journey, a crucial nexus where raw agriculture meets industrial precision. It demonstrates how complex systems, advanced technology, and human dedication converge to produce a simple pleasure. Every step is a delicate balance, a testament to efficiency and a relentless pursuit of flavor. It's a story of transformation, from humble bean to global commodity, touching lives around the world. So much goes into that morning cup of coffee that remains unseen by most. The scale, the science, the sheer number of people involved in ensuring quality and consistency are staggering. This glimpse behind the scenes reveals not just a manufacturing plant, but a living, breathing ecosystem dedicated to a single product. It's a reminder of the intricate global supply chains that connect us and the incredible feats of engineering and human ingenuity required to sustain our modern way of life. The story of coffee, in many ways, is the story of our interconnected world, delivered in every aromatic sip. Beyond its aromatic appeal, this plant has a profound economic impact, both locally and globally. It provides hundreds of jobs, from highly skilled engineers and quality control specialists to logistics managers and machine operators. Its demand for raw beans supports countless coffee farmers and communities in distant lands. The plant's output fuels local economies through distribution, retail, and hospitality sectors. It's a significant economic engine, demonstrating how a single product can create a vast network of prosperity and opportunity, reinforcing coffee's status as a vital global commodity that transcends simple beverage status. The captivating aroma of coffee is a complex symphony of over 800 volatile compounds. During the roasting process, these compounds are created and transformed. Scientists in the plant's lab use gas chromatography mass spectrometry to analyze and replicate these intricate aromatic profiles, ensuring each batch aligns with the desired blend. This scientific rigor allows them to maintain a consistent signature scent, a crucial part of the coffee experience. It's a meticulous chemical ballet, transforming basic compounds into the rich, inviting smell that signals quality and familiarity for millions of consumers daily. Often overlooked, the quality of water used in coffee processing and in the final brew is paramount. This plant invests significantly in water filtration and purification systems. While green beans don't directly interact with water during roasting, consistent water quality is essential for cupping, cleaning, and various steam processes. For pre-ground and instant coffees, the water composition impacts solubility and flavor extraction. Ensuring precise mineral content and purity in their water supply is another hidden layer of quality control, underlining the holistic approach to producing a superior product. Every detail, no matter how small, is considered. Operating a plant of this size is energy-intensive, making energy efficiency a key priority. The facility employs advanced heat recovery systems that capture and reuse heat generated during the roasting process, significantly reducing natural gas consumption. Solar panels cover vast sections of the roof, contributing to a substantial portion of their electricity needs. LED lighting, optimized machinery schedules, and predictive maintenance further reduce their environmental footprint and operational costs. It's a continuous effort to innovate and adopt greener practices, proving that large-scale production can still strive for ecological responsibility. To assure consumers of their commitment to quality and ethical sourcing, the plant adheres to numerous international certifications and standards. These include Fair Trade, Rainforest Alliance, and organic certifications for specific product lines, as well as rigorous food safety management systems like ISO 22000. Sarah Miller's team regularly undergoes audits to maintain these credentials, a complex and demanding process. These certifications are more than just labels, they represent a deep commitment to sustainable practices, fair labor, and stringent product safety, offering peace of mind to millions of discerning coffee drinkers. The plant creates a vast array of coffee profiles, each meticulously crafted. A light roast retains more of the bean's original characteristics, often exhibiting brighter acidity and fruity notes. In contrast, a dark roast undergoes a deeper transformation, developing rich, smoky, and chocolatey flavors with a heavier body. This comparison highlights the mastery of the roasting process, where precise control over time and temperature allows for such diverse sensory experiences. Maria's team constantly fine-tunes these profiles, ensuring each offers a distinct and satisfying experience tailored to different preferences. Managing waste efficiently is another critical aspect of this large-scale operation. Coffee chaff, the dried skin of the bean removed during roasting, is collected and often repurposed as compost or biomass fuel. Spent coffee grounds from the cupping lab and cleaning processes are also diverted from landfills, finding new life in agriculture or other industrial applications. The plant actively seeks innovative solutions for byproduct utilization, turning what was once waste into valuable resources. This commitment to circularity is a testament to their dedication to environmental stewardship, creating value from every stage of production. Looking to the future, the plant is investing in training programs and educational initiatives to cultivate the next generation of coffee professionals. From engineers specializing in food processing to sensory analysts and master roasters, a continuous pipeline of talent is essential. Maria Rodriguez often mentors aspiring roasters, passing on her invaluable knowledge and passion. This commitment ensures that the artisanal craft, combined with scientific rigor, will continue to thrive, safeguarding the legacy of quality coffee production for decades to come. It's an investment not just in technology, but in the human capital that truly drives innovation and excellence. The reach of this facility extends far beyond national borders. By sourcing beans from diverse origins, it supports countless smallholder farmers and entire communities globally, providing stable income and market access. Through certifications like Fairtrade and Rainforest Alliance, the plant contributes to improved living conditions and sustainable farming practices worldwide. This deep integration into the global coffee ecosystem makes it a silent, yet powerful, force for economic development and environmental protection. It's a profound reminder that every purchase of coffee can, in its own way, resonate across continents, impacting lives from farm to cup. Ultimately, the success of this immense operation rests on consumer trust. Trust in the quality, consistency, and ethical integrity of every bag of coffee. Every meticulous step, every technological innovation, every dedicated individual, from David Chen in logistics to Sarah Miller in the lab and Maria Rodriguez overseeing the roast, contributes to building and maintaining that trust. It's a responsibility they take seriously, knowing that their product is an integral part of millions of daily routines. The dedication behind the scenes is what ensures that the final product not only meets, but exceeds, expectations, cup after delicious cup. As the final pallets roll out and the plant begins to quiet for the night, a sense of accomplishment settles. This isn't just about coffee, it's about an enduring legacy of quality, innovation, and human endeavor. From the moment a green bean is picked on a distant farm to its journey through America's largest roasting plant, to the moment it's brewed in countless homes, it represents a chain of dedication. The story of coffee here is one of transformation, scale, and the profound ability of a simple beverage to connect cultures, fuel ambitions, and enrich daily life for millions. And tomorrow, it all begins again.